this seems to be the place. This is the first time I've seen a Fireblade really up close. Wow. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. In this video, we're going to a place called Rocky Ridge Café, somewhere towards Hosur. You know, it's a good place to hang out. But the only thing I noticed was there's cats. That's what I'm excited to see. Ducati with the cats. We got Aditya and his friends. You guys remember the modified 650? Aditya's pretty cool bike. You can hear how loud the bike is. I don't know if you guys can hear my voice. Last time Aditya came with us, it was Ducati's first ride. I'm not trying to go fast because I don't know the way. If I knew the way, I would have just gone. But you know, most of the times I want to see new places and I can show you guys new places. That's why I don't really know the way. Alright, we'll have a coffee and then I'll continue the vlog. We got a couple of bikes which are right over here. Oh, the Honda Fireblade, man. God damn. I feel like I've seen one of these bikes somewhere. I haven't seen the Honda though. It's a pretty cool bike. Oh. This is the first time I've seen a Fireblade really up close. That's a carbon fiber faceplate. Holy. Well, someday, huh? Someday, one day, maybe. We'll see. Every time I walk behind or ahead of my bike, I have to cover the number plate, and so annoying, man. I mean, look at those guys. They don't even have plates front and back. God damn. I mean, one of the bike doesn't have it. But this one, yeah, it's alright. The sun isn't really out like I hoped it would be, but it's fine. I'll make the video look beautiful. Don't worry about it. You guys should go. You guys should come here if you guys want a peaceful ride or something. We had a bit of a problem back there. The guy on the Meteor, he had a box or something. I think it broke, so they're trying to fix it. Alright, this seems to be the place. Alright, we're here. Oh. Damn bro, we'll sit for a while. Hi. I think it's looking for something to eat, but we don't have anything. Good cat. I'll film a bit, then I'll keep the helmet here. Cats aren't usually this friendly, da.
Exactly, they just run away from a distance.
This one is used to people coming and petting it, no? That's why. Wow. Okay. Huh? This place looks pretty good. Oh. Oh. This is pretty chill, bro. We have a couple of games over here. Table tennis. I don't know the name. Cricket and volleyball. Carom. Events at Rocky Ridge Café Verdant. Oh, this is pretty cool. I didn't expect all of this, like just lying down and chilling. It's just really used to humans, to be honest. That's why it's so calm. Books games. What books games is that? Oh, board games you mean. Okay. Nice. There's a lot of chilling stuff you can do so that you don't get bored. Pretty nice. Oh, I didn't show you guys the rabbits, did I? Rabbits. Shoot, bro. Shoot. Oh my god. No, bro. Uy. Goalkeeper's goal, what the hell? Bro just ripped it. Alright, we'll have our breakfast, then I'll continue filming.
Look at the nose, so pink.
It was pretty fun, pretty chill place. You guys can come here and chill for a long time. You can play a lot of stuff, you can sleep, and there's camping. I didn't know that. If you guys wanna check this place out, it's Rocky Ridge Café. That is a really good view. That bike is popping like crazy. God, man. Oh, this is a nice road, man. I mean, bigger road. Nice. Woo! Road is pretty good, bro.
Yeah, pretty good.
What highway is this? Does it take us back to...
Yeah, it does.
Damn, bro, it's hot. So we found a really good new highway. It's just really, really good. Like, what the hell? Woo! We're on our way to Shell. We'll have a drink and then we're going home. Yeah, you need to wear earbuds, bro.
I think yours, I'm coming yours will run through out. I can't come near your bike only. My ears are buzzing.
Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.